Just to see this, I built a complete AI customer support SaaS and it feels like a real startup product. It comes with a professional landing page where businesses can sign up, purchase a subscription, and securely log into their own dashboard. From there, they can create their own AI chatbot, customize it, design, train it with custom business information, and test everything in real time. But that's not even the best part. With just one click, they can generate an embed code and install their AI chatbot on a WordPress website, Shopify store, React app, Webflow site, or even a simple HTML website. Within minutes, they have their own AI customer support assistant running live. And the craziest part is, we didn't build this over several days. We built almost the entire SaaS using Google AI Studio. So in this video, I will show you the complete process from start to finish. And by the end, you will have your own fully functional AI customer support SaaS ready to use or even sell. So let's quickly look at everything we are going to build in this video. First, I will generate our complete AI customer support SaaS using single detailed prompt. Then I will review the generated application, including the landing page, authentication, and all the core features. After that, we will create our first AI chatbot, customize it, give it branding, all messages, AI model, and overall behavior. Next, we will train the chatbot using the real business information. Then I will show you different ways to train it with custom business instruction. Once the chatbot is trained, we will test it by asking real customer questions to see how accurately it responds. Finally, I will generate the embed code, add the chatbot to a real HTML website, and see it working live exactly like a professional customer support chatbot. So if you think this video is going to be valuable and you will learn something new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. Let's start with the first step, to creating a SaaS app in Google AI Studio. So now I am inside Google AI Studio, and first thing I will do is to paste the prompt I have already created with ChatGPT. This is not just a simple prompt. It's a complete project specification that tells Google AI Studio exactly what we want to build. In this prompt, I have described it a production-ready AI customer support SaaS, where businesses can create an account, build their own AI chatbots, train it using their website URLs, PDFs, FAQs, or custom instruction, customize its design, manage conversation from a dashboard, and finally generate an embed code to add chatbot to any WordPress, Shopify, React, or HTML website. I have also specified that the project should use React, Firebase Authentication, Firestore, and Gemini, along with a clean modern UI and scalable SaaS architecture. Now I will simply click run, and Google AI Studio will start analyzing the prompt and generating a complete application for me. This process usually takes moments. Once it's ready, AI Studio will also suggest few beautiful UI themes for this project. I will choose one of that looks best, but you can select any theme based on your preference. After selecting the theme, Google AI Studio will ask me to enable Firebase Authentication and Firestore database. The services are essential because they will handle user login, secure authentication, chatbot data, conversation history, and all backend storage for our SaaS. So I will enable both of them. And once that's done, Google AI Studio will begin building the complete application automatically. So I will just keep the waiting part. Now let's check the app, what it has generated. And the first thing we can see is the beautiful and simple landing page. You can see this. Right at the top, we have clean navigation bar with sections like feature, interactive demo, pricing, FAQ, sign in, and get started. The hero section is clearly explained what this SaaS does. It tells visitors they can create AI support customer support chatbots, train them using their websites and all, and deploy them without writing any code. On the right, we have live chatbot preview that gives user an idea how the chatbot will work on their own website. As we scroll down, we have a dedicated features section explaining the platform's main capabilities, followed by an interactive playground where user can test the AI before signing up. As you can see, I can ask it any question and it will react like a ChatGPT or a real chatbot agent. You can see this. Below that, there is a professional pricing action with free, professional and enterprise plans, along with customer testimonial and frequently asked questions section. Overall, Google AI Studio has done an excellent job generating a professional SaaS landing page. I know it is simple, but it will work for it. Now let's move on and test whether all the core features behind this application are actually working or not. Now let's click on Get Started button. As you can see, it immediately opens a professional sign up page where a new business can create their own workspace. They can either enter their company name, work email, password, or simply continue with Google account. One thing that's really impressive is that Google AI Studio generated this complete authentication system from single prompt. It has also automatically integrated secure user authentication, including Google sign-in. I'm going to continue with my Google account. After signing it in successfully, the application redirects me to the subscription page where we have different pricing plans. And since we are building a professional version, I will select a professional plan and click Buy Now with PayPal. As you can see, PayPal is already integrated into the application, allowing users to purchase the subscription securely. Now that the payment is completed, this demo, we are officially inside our AI customer support SaaS dashboard. Now let's check the user dashboard. So we are inside the main dashboard of our AI customer support SaaS. This is a control center where businesses can create, manage and monitor all of their AI chatbots from one place. At the top, we can quickly see important statistics like the total number of active chatbots, conversations, resolved chats, and human agent takeovers. This gives businesses owners a quick overview of how their chatbot is performing. Just below that, Google AI Studio has also generated a simple setup guide, making it easy for new users to understand a complete workflow, from creating a chatbot, training it with business data, and finally embedding it on their own website. Next, we have a AI Chatbot Manager. Here, businesses can create multiple chatbots, customize the chatbot name, welcome message, branding color, AI model, system instructions, and even add suggested question that customers can click to start the conversation. Moving to the AI knowledge base, this is where chatbot actually learns about the business. We can provide business information directly, train it using website URL, adding FAQs, uploading PDF documents, or any defined custom AI instruction. Next, we have a SaaS inbox where businesses can view customer conversation in the real time. If needed, they can even take over the conversation manually instead of letting the AI continue the chat. Finally, we have one of the most important section, the embed settings. Google AI Studio has automatically generated a unique JavaScript snippet for this chatbot. Businesses simply need to copy this code and paste it into their WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, React, or HTML website, and a chatbot will instantly appear on their website. Obviously, they need API key for Google, but right now it will work properly. Overall, this is a much more than just a chatbot. It's complete AI customer support SaaS, where business can create, train, manage, deploy, and monitor their own AI assistant from a single dashboard. Now let's create and test our very first AI chatbot for a real business. For this example, let's imagine a client owns a cake shop in New York and wants a AI customer support assistant for their website. First, I will open the AI chatbot manager. Here, I will give my chatbot a proper name, set the public agent name that customers will see, choose an avatar, customize the welcome message, and even change the brand color to match the bakery style branding. Once the chatbot configuration is ready, the next step is to train it. So, I will open the AI training center. Here, Google AI Studio gives us a multiple way to train the chatbot. We can crawl a website, upload PDF, and many more ways. I can simply paste the business information directly. So for this demo, I will paste the complete detail of our New York cake shop that I have prepared earlier just from ChatGPT. This includes bakery's address, business hours, cake flavors, delivery policies, payment methods, contact information, and other important business detail. It is just for demo. As you can see, this is only one paragraph details. Finally, I will click Save Directives, and within a few seconds, our AI chatbot will be trained and ready to answer customer questions based on the information. Perfect. Now that our chatbot has been configured and trained successfully, let's see it in action. I will go to the last section, Embed Settings. This is where Google AI Studio generates the unique embed code for our chatbot, allowing us to add it any kind of website and use it. So before deploying it on a real website, we have a very useful option to preview our chatbot. You can see this button, so I will just simply click on this. This lets us instantly preview and test chatbot without copying any code or integrating it into our real website first. So once I will click on the option, chatbot opens exactly as it would appear on our live website. Let's start with a few common questions like what are your opening hours? You can see I have entered the question and instantly chatbot replies. The answer is accurate. You can see this. Then I will ask is, do you offer same day delivery? What cake flavors do you have? And other all kind of question I can ask them. As you can see, the chatbot is answering confidently using only a business information we provided during the training. This is exactly how your customer will interact with the AI in your website. If the responses are not accurate, you can simply go back to the AI training center, update the business information, retrain the chatbot, and changes will be reflected immediately. Now that we have confirmed everything is working correctly, let's move to the final step, deploying this chatbot on a real website using a generated embed code. So I will close the preview and go back to the embed setting page. Here, Google AI Studio has automatically generated a unique JavaScript embed code for our chatbot. As you can see, this is the only code we need to install the chatbot on any website. To integrate it, I will simply copy the code. It can be added to WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, React, or even HTML website. Now it's a time to final test. I had already created a simple page HTML website for this cake shop using ChatGPT. As you can see, it's basic landing page with information about the bakery, but it doesn't have any chatbot yet. Now let's see if we can integrate the AI chatbot we just built into this website. I will simply copy embed code that Google AI Studio generated for us. Then I will go back to the same ChatGPT conversation where I have created the HTML website and ask it to add this chatbot embed code to the existing HTML and regenerate the complete code. Within just a seconds, ChatGPT has updated the website and inserted the chatbot code inside the website. Now let's open the generated website. And there it is. You can see the website loads successfully and AI chatbot is now visible in the bottom right corner, just like a professional customer support vintage. The chatbot opens instantly with a welcome message we configured earlier. Now let's test it by asking few questions about the cake shop, like something whatever you want to. I am just randomly adding some question, and as you can see, it answering every question correctly based on the business information we trained it with. It feels exactly like a real customer support assistant that you would see on a professional business website. This is honestly amazing. In just one project, we have built a complete AI customer support SaaS. And that's it. We have successfully built a complete AI customer support SaaS using Google AI Studio. On the back end, the application uses Firebase Authentication for secure user login and Firestore to store chatbot configuration, business data, conversation, and all the information required to make the application work properly. This gives us a solid backend that's suitable for building and testing a real SaaS application. Throughout this project, we didn't just create a chatbot, we built an entire SaaS platform with a professional landing page, secure user authentication, subscription flow, business chatbot, AI chatbot management, knowledge-based training, conversation, inbox, and the embeddable chat vintage. The best part is that you can customize this project for almost any business, deploy it for your own company, or use it as a starting point for a commercial product. Just remember that if you plan to launch it for paying customer, you will still want to thoroughly test it, strengthen the security, and redefine it before using it in production. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what AI SaaS project you will like me to build next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.